of our friends to come up here tonight. And so please welcome to the stage Matt Kelly, and Matt Kelly Williams, and that's all I'm going to say. Thank you, Matt Kelly Williams, for not regretting anything. And I do hope, as some closing words, that coming here and being your authentic self and being in this safe space with everyone, that you regret nothing. Regret nothing that you've shared, because everything that you share with all the courage is helping somebody else. So thank you so much for all of your attention tonight, being here at the CodeMash Lightning Talks. And I just want to leave us with one little fun side note, that it's my wife, JJ Jones's birthday today. Thank you very much, and have an amazing time at the rave, which is coming up next.